In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Paperform with Mailchimp, allowing you to seamlessly connect your forms to your email marketing efforts. By following this guide, you will enable automatic subscribe additions directly from your Paperform submissions to your Mailchimp lists. Begin by navigating to Paperform. Once on the Paperform homepage, locate the button labeled New Form and click on it. This action will direct you to the form creation interface where you can start designing your new form. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available for customization. After setting up your form, look for the option labeled Integrations and Webhooks located in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on this option to access the integration settings. You should now see a list of available integrations that you can connect with your Paperform. Next, find and click on the Mailchimp integration. This will open the Mailchimp settings page where you can configure how your Paperform will interact with your Mailchimp account. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. Once on the Mailchimp settings page, select the option that says Add Subscriber to a List. This selection allows you to specify that new form submissions will automatically add the submitter's email to your chosen Mailchimp list. Confirm that you've selected this option before continuing. Now, click on the button labeled Add Account Plus. This will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account. If you are not already signed in, the system will direct you to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your credentials to access your account securely. After successfully logging in, you will encounter a permission request screen. Click on the button that says Allow to grant Paperform access to your Mailchimp account. This step is crucial for ensuring that the integration functions properly. Finally, return to the Paperform interface and click on the button labeled Finish Setup. This action will complete the integration process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Mailchimp account has been successfully linked to your Paperform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.